in the night of 30th or 31st, night 12 at night 12. Okay, the system user will change the posting period. In which T code? MMPV. MMPV is a T code to change the posting period in a monthly basis. In a monthly basis, a company code we have to enter it over CG00. CG00 still company code. Which period? What is our current period right now is going on? Yes, last and for the other session I am going to show you. Last and MMRV. MMRV means CG00. You can say 4/2019. Means I is not required to change it. When April 31st or April 30 it will come in the midnight of 12 p.m., 12 a.m. or whatever it may be. You are going to change the company code with specifying the company code and period and year. And click execute. You have to select this icon, check and close period, click execute. After clicking execute, automatically system will change the posting period from, but right now is open 3 and 4, right? It will 3 will get closed, 4 and 5 will get open. Okay, this is the posting period functionality. Normally posting period functionality is to change, system will not allow to enter the data in a wrong period. Okay. If you have any questions, you can ask me, Joshi. The posting period only, this is the configuration and this is the process only.
Yeah, I think it's the same same principle we use for FI, isn't it? Posting period.
Yeah. Same thing.
Yeah.
Same thing. What configuration we have done, those configuration in real time, FI consultant is going to do that one. Because the configuration is belong to FI. But this MMPV and MMRV, MMPV for the changing the posting period monthly basis, MMRV is the changing display the posting period, what are the posting period is going on for the current company code. This is both the T codes is related to MM. Okay.
So we make only changes in MMRV.
Yeah, MMRV or we can display it. Suppose we are continuing this session, right? So when it will suppose April month it will get completed. So I will show you how to change it. Okay.
Normally users do that, eh? The power users change the posting period.
So I'll tell you. For other company code, I'll tell you. So CG00 we are not going to change it because it will get impact for our transaction data or master data. For some other company code, it will there. I'll show you. Hold on a second. Raj, one Raj, something has been clear. I don't think so. Nothing is there for company code. One second. Last and MMRP again. For other company codes, I'm going to change it. I'll show you how to change it. Yes, Samsung India something, Ireland something. What is the company code is going on? And 2019 is going on. Look this. For this company code, I'm going to change it. And 2019 is going on. So how to change it? 12 2018 or 1 2019. If I'm going to close this period, 12 2018 it will get closed, 1 2019 and along with 2 2019 it will get open. Means January and February will get open, 12 December 2018 will get closed. So
yeah.
Let's say what is the company code? S100. S100. It's equal to 2019. Okay, click execute. Error occurs. Note. Transaction code MMPV closing program cannot be executed for more information. Something else. Okay. This is changed or not? Okay. No. Something note has been implemented. Something configuration is there. They're not. This note has been implemented. This is an issue from the server actually. Issue from the server. Okay. Something note has been implemented. So that is the reason it's not working. We will discuss regarding this Ashish. Okay. Regarding this issue, we are going to discuss with Ashish. The technical error, something is there. Okay. So I will tell you. I'll show you. No need to worry. That is the reason I'm going to mark as a complete for this posting period. You have to do the practice properly from your end. Then only you will get the understand what are the functionalities, what I have done, you can understand properly. So this is the thing.